This is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how can create hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot in your laptop. Go to cmd, run cmd, paste this netsh wlan show drivers. This one copy, then paste here, press enter. Again, copy this one and paste here. Here WLAN set hosted network not allow SSID. This is very important. What is SSID? SSID means this is your Wi-Fi name. When we connect Wi-Fi, our mobile laptop come one name. So this is Wi-Fi name key. This means password. So this is very important. You need remember. Then press enter. The SSID of the hosted network has been successfully changed. Our Wi-Fi hotspots Wi-Fi already successfully created. Now we need to start. Copy this. Start hosted network. Paste here and paste enter. The hosted network already started. Okay. Our hosted Wi-Fi already created. So how can now I am going to show you how can check created hosted network. We already created hotspots Wi-Fi, but this one perfectly created or not, how can you check? So you need copy this one and paste here and press enter. Dear listener, hosted network setting is allowed. Our SSID name ittechbd already showing. So our Wi-Fi hotspots already started. Now I am going to show you how can share. Without share you did not connect with hotspot. Go network access icon, then click right button, open network and sharing center. Click, then showing here our hotspots network name, this one. So you need share with local public network. Click change adapter setting. This is our public local area network. Click right, then go to property menu, property, click, then click share, click allow and click drop down and select local area connection 4. This one you need select. This is our hotspots Wi-Fi. Select and press click OK. Now go to again and see our local area connected already share it. So If you are benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.